Where are you going? What? Alright. Hey, Bella. Hey, guys. Brady here. I'm hanging out with these cute puppies. You got Hadley, Bella. Bella is a little bit older. Natalie here just likes to chew on everything. It's neighbor's dog. My friend's neighbor's dog. Well, dogs. Both black labs. If you want a black lab, you should hit that like button. Oh, go! It slipped out of my hands. It's a little slobbery. Oh, girl, Bella. Look at that. So slobbery. Oh. Hadley! 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 Hadley, come. Come here. Hey, hot Bella? Hot Bella? You want your ball? Alright, guys, watch this. Here, let's do it this way. Huh. Alright. Good girl. Alright, you ready? Go get it. Hadley. Go. Go get it. You know, Hadley just chews on everything. She's in that puppy stage. Go get it. Okay. Hadley. Hadley. Come here. I don't know. Go get it. Whoa. Hadley. Go. Hey, Hadley. Hadley, come here. Hadley. Hey, Hadley.
Very cute dog.
Hi, Bria.
They're not Bria. I looked at the name wrong. Look at you.
Cutie. Cutie.
Hadley. Hadley.
So, you should throw Bella's balls. You haven't thrown them.
Me and Bella.
Yeah. Hadley.
Bella's
Hadley,
really
come. Come here.
She's 2 weeks old. Kind of getting bigger.
Yeah.
Really bigger now. Aww.
If you guys like dogs, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button.
Yeah, hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe. He's not eating grass. He can't eat grass. No.
Unless their stomach's upset.
No, this guy. He just keeps eating the grass.
Oh, slobber just like freaking plopped on my hand. Did I have like a pool of slobber? Did your video ended?
No, it didn't.
Oh, it looked like it.
Hadley.
Dude,
Hi.
go get it, Bella.
Yes. You're so cute. Oh.
It's your turn. It's your turn with Bella.
Hey, Bella.
I haven't hung out with Hadley.
Oh. You just dropped it on Hadley's head.
Hadley, no, Hadley, you okay, girl? Okay.
Hadley's like, no. I had to slobber all over. What's that, huh? Hadley, what's that?
Hey, Hadley, you're okay.
This is a great thumbnail right here.
I know.
Thumbnail. Brody, smile. Bella. Bella is...
Wait, to get a thumbnail, all you have to do is click that picture button, right?
Not really.
And go get it, Bella.
Butt shot. I'm just kidding. Hey, Hadley. Dun dun. She's like, I will. Oh, she kissed the camera.
Can you kiss this camera? Hadley, kiss this camera? Yeah. No, oh,
Bella, you can kiss the camera?
go get it.
No, Bella can't do that. It's just too much for her.
Oh, sorry.
Dun, 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 dun,
Then you just hang out with Bella.
I was saying Bella can't kiss the camera because it's too much for her. That's it. Yeah.
Hey, Hadley.
Guys, I'm gonna juke Bella real quick. Check it. 1, 2.
Hey guys, I'm gonna quickly be back. Cut this video right here, and I'll be back.
That's all for
Alright
today.
guys, we're
Thank
back.
you guys for watching the video. Like,
Yeah.
subscribe, hit that like
Look at
button.
this. How
See you
cute she
later.
is.
Bye.
Yeah, and if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and especially if you like dogs, hit those buttons. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.